Assalamu alaikum guys, today we're making bint الصحن with ground beef. For this recipe you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of water, a 1/4 cup of oil, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of yeast, 2 sticks of butter, and ground beef. The video for the ground beef recipe is in the description below. Add the flour, salt, yeast, eggs, and oil into a bowl and mix while gradually adding water. After that, add a bit of water into a bowl and let it rest for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, knead the dough until it absorbs all the water. Cover the dough up with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Grease the pan and make sure not to grease the sides to ensure that the dough won't slide around. After the dough has rested, cut it into small round pieces. Then cover the dough once again and let it rest for 10 minutes. Flatten the dough as shown with the addition of butter between each layer. Once you flatten half of the quantity of the dough, add the stuffing. Continue to make layers with the rest of the dough, repeating the same steps. Once you're done, sprinkle an optional amount of sesame and black seeds onto the surface of the dough. You can either add eggs to the surface of the dough or just use butter. Place them into the صحن at a preheated oven at 450 degrees until it becomes golden on top. This is how it should look like once it comes out of the oven. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.